Hey everyone, welcome to this stream, and I hope you all can hear me. So in today's stream, let me talk about how you can use different mobile apps for your productivity and creative works. I talk about mobile apps all the time, but today also I'll talk about mobile apps. Uh, Let me in today's stream, and before going into the details, I talk about mobile apps all the time, and in my channel, I also talk about how to use different Android applications and how you can use Android application as a replacement for your PC. In these days, you have an Android application or an iOS app available for all your applications for PC. Most of your applications for your office works, for your creative works, for your teamworks, for everything you have an Android application or you have a mobile application. I'm talking more about Android because I am an Android user. I do not have an iOS device. So iOS also has a plethora of applications similar to Android. Probably iOS has got more applications than Android for the mobile platform. And today, let me talk about different kinds of productivity apps and creative apps. First of all, I'll talk about the apps that you can use for your office work or your productive works. The first of all, the apps that we use for most of I'll talk about mostly for our office work is an office suite. For example, in your office, in your PC or in your desktop, that what you use is the office suite, like a Microsoft Office, like Google Docs, like Open Office, like LibreOffice, like that. In your mobile also, you can use not all these office suites, but some of the best office suites. For example, the Microsoft Office suite is available for mobile. Office 365 is available on mobile. You will get Microsoft, if you will get what you call Excel and PowerPoint, and their online as well as offline applications for your mobile. So you can use those applications for free, but if you buy the subscription plans of Microsoft Office, or not exactly Microsoft Office, nowadays it is called Office 365 or Microsoft 365, so that you can use for on your mobile phone with almost all the features that you can use through your small devices. The Microsoft Office, if you buy the subscription, if you get into the premium plans, you will get not only Microsoft Office, but also you'll get 1 terabyte of OneDrive space, which is pretty amazing, because for a price of around $5 a month, roughly, which translates into around 400 or 450 rupees in India, you will get a lot of value for what you pay for. If you pay for Microsoft Office 365, you'll get all those things apart from a 1 terabyte of cloud storage, which is amazing. But even if you do not pay for the Microsoft Office suite, you can use the apps freely. Microsoft Office Outlook app or the Hi Zero. How are you? Okay, it's nice to see you. It's nice to see you. And I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'll in this chat. I'm very happy that you're here. You're here, and it's around 10 p.m. here in India. I think you'll be a little bit late in your place. I think from us, you may be in, I think, 11 or 11 and a half, 11:30 p.m. I guess, right? Okay, it is the same. Yeah, no problem. Okay, I was talking about Office apps. What apps do you use actually for your Office works, like Microsoft Office or the Google suite of Office? Like, okay, you don't use. All right, all right. Okay, 17:41 p.m. That means 17:41 means it's you're behind me. I'm around 10. 10 means it's around 10 p.m. 17:41 is 5 p.m. All right, you were around 3 hours behind me. Okay, no problem. Let me talk about these applications for your mobile phones. Now, I was talking about Office apps, where Microsoft has all the beautiful apps that you can use on your mobile phone, apart from what you use on the PC or desktop. Now, on a mobile, you'll get Excel, you'll get PowerPoint, you'll get what you call beautiful note-taking app called OneNote. You can also download the Outlook app, which is a mail client for free, where you can set up all your mails. And then when you talk about productivity Office apps, we should not miss about the Google suite of applications, where you will find for Microsoft Word, you'll have Google Docs as a replacement. Google Docs, Google Slides, and what do you call? Google Slides, Google Docs, Google Sheets. Sheets are the replacement for your Excel. So Google all works in the cloud, so you don't have to download anything to your PC. You can do it offline. Sometimes you can download all your files offline, and then you can use all those things online, and you have to take the burden of saving your files, because it is done in the cloud and everything will be saved automatically. That is the advantage of using the applications from Google: Suites, Slides, Docs, and Sheets. So they are pretty amazing, and you get a lot of value for free. And also, when you talk about Google, you should not miss. Okay, you have no clue. You can ask me anything about the apps that you would like to learn something. If I can help you, I'll do that. Okay, if you have something to ask about any mobile applications, I'm now talking about Office apps like Google Sheets, Slides, Docs, etc. And if you need something apart from these apps, you can ask me. No problem. No problem. You can ask me. If I know, I'll let you know. Okay, I was talking about this Google suite of apps, where you'll also get this Google Drive app, which is a pretty amazing app. Oh, you can put it in the chat. No problem. You can put it in the chat. Okay, and the next time I'll invite you for my this live stream. You can be a guest, and we can then have a video conferencing type of thing, right? Even now, I can invite you if you're there. If you're ready to be a part of this live stream, I can share you the the link for joining StreamYard that I am using, which is a free live streaming applications available for. It is a browser-based live streaming application, so you can. Okay, I'll go step by step with the last video you made. Yes, there you can go. If you have something to ask in that video, I can help you with that. No problem. how to use the mobile phone. Presently also I am using a mobile phone as a, what you call, my webcam right now. I do not have a webcam. Okay, next time. I do not have a webcam, so I'm using this mobile phone as a webcam. I'm now using an app called Droid Cam X. Droid Cam is also available as a free version, but the free version is limited by the resolution that it provides, that it supports. And Droid Cam X, it supports up to 1080p resolution, and the latency is very low. That means there is a very little lag between what I speak and what I talk and what it goes into the PC. So it doesn't take too much of lag. So Droid Cam X is a pretty useful applications, and it is not that costly also. Okay, but I stuck with what I have to do with OBS. Okay, but if you do if you do not want to use OBS, because in that video I made everything using OBS, that's why I was talking about OBS. If you do not want to use OBS, you can do what you call you can use your mobile phone as webcam in any other applications if you do not want to use OBS. But if you want to record something for YouTube or anything using OBS, like a screencasting thing, so you need to have OBS. What is you need? Okay, you need to add this webcam as a video input device in your OBS. So in OBS you will find different types, something like if you want, I can show you how to do it in OBS in my screen. Okay, if you want, I can pull up my OBS screen, and let me see if I can pull up OBS screen. Yes, you can still get it into StreamYard. StreamYard, you don't have to go through OBS. You can also go through OBS to StreamYard via virtual camera application, cameras feature, but here you don't have to. I'm not now directly using this camera, what you call. I'll show you what I am doing here. I'll show my screen. So I'll show my this StreamYard screen and what I am setting up in bit. Okay, so I'll go ahead and share my screen. Okay, share my screen, and then okay, I'm showing my entire screen now. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. I hope okay, now you can see the screen because it is showing some kind of repeating thing, because I'm sharing the screen. That's why it is repeating. So the thing is that this is the live streaming setup. So where you can select your camera from the gear icon here. So I have got this OBS. I'll show you what is there. Not the OBS. This is the Droid Cam client. This is the Droid Cam client. This is the Droid Cam client, which is there. Okay. So this client you can connect using this Droid Cam applications. In my video I was talking about Irion. So in your case, that Irion application will have this Irion client, which you can use to control the webcam feature of your phone. Once you have your phone application running and client in your PC running, you can connect both via Wi-Fi, or you can connect both via Wi-Fi or USB. I will suggest to connect via USB because that will have lower latency, because there will be a lag between what is being talked about. Like as I am talking, there may be some lag in getting that into the PC, the video lag, due to the latency issues. Okay, how come you have more buttons in StreamYard than me? Because I'm now running live, so that's why I'm getting more buttons, I think, because these are the standard buttons. I don't think there should be more buttons. And this is what I am lying. This is another window for Droid Cam client, so that I can minimize, because this is the window for my webcam application, all right, which I'm using for with my phone. So this is Droid Cam X client software for PC, which I need to use during the stream to get this feed from my mobile camera. Okay, and these are the pretty standard buttons which are available. You got only 3, I think. I don't know, but I have not done anything, but I am only in the what you call the free version only. So I'll have to check why you are getting only 3. You can get a screenshot of that and send it to me, so I'll check what you have missing out, what you are missing out on that StreamYard thing. All right, and so in stream that I'll show this camera mic settings. You will get into camera mic settings. I'm using this Droid Cam 3 as my camera source. So this Droid Cam 3, that is the camera source for this. These are the different cameras available with in my system. So I'm using this Droid Cam 3, so which is the camera source for the Droid Cam X application. So I hope that have okay, you pay for 10 seat. Okay, I pay for 10 seat. All right, so I think you are on a paid plan for the pro version. I don't know about pro version. I have not used it for StreamYard, the pro version. That's the individual plan. I'm still on the free version of StreamYard, and I think this is the first time I'm using StreamYard for streaming, and I'm finding it very useful. Earlier, I used Restream.io and Melon app. I used to stream using the Melon app, and I'm new to streaming, so I'm just testing out different streaming platforms as well, along with different applications on Android. And I'm finding the StreamYard to be having a better user interface, as well as the latency issues are not that much between in StreamYard. Okay, so so this is how it is done, and if you have anything specific, you can ask me. Also, I'll show you my OBS screen now, so you can see this OBS screen. So if you were talking about OBS, if you want OBS also, so you can have different things like here in the left side, you'll have different scenes. You can have different scenes. I have set up different scenes for my work. And for each scene, you can have different sources of where you can add a video file, where you can add a video source, like this is Droid Cam X, this is my webcam source, and there is a social browser source, there is another webcam source, there is another webcam source, so, and there is an image, there are background images like this. So you can add different sources in a particular scene, and then you can have different sources for different scenes. You can have similar sources for different scenes as well. And there on this side, you can have those settings for different stuff for your audio and video, all those things that you can control. So I'll make a detailed discussion about OBS at a later part of not this stream, in a different stream. I'll show you how to do everything on OBS. Presently, I have to go into the details of it in a streamlined manner. So later on, you can ask me something about OBS. I'll try to answer that. And now, okay, I was setting phone camera. Okay, I will setting phone camera and download an app. Okay, it's not too much. Okay, I'll phone camera. Which phone camera and which app you will be downloading? I'll be setting phone camera. You can which phone? Okay. Okay. You can do that. You can do that. You can have this any app on any of the applications. Any of the applications like Irion or anything that you can set it up, and then what you call, then you can use any app that I was talking about Irion app in the earlier video. So I'll suggest you different apps to try out and check which one works better with your system. You know, not all the apps work latency free. I found Iron to be very good at times, and sometimes it also lags. You can try a private stream and then check whether everything goes okay or not, and before going into actual public live streaming on StreamYard, to check everything, if everything works or not. It's very simple in steps. So because of all those OBS screen and all, you're getting confused. Actually, what you need to do, you need to get this mobile applications, Iron, install it. Okay, Samsung S9 Plus is a very good phone. I have a what I am using right now is a Samsung A30, which is a pretty mediocre phone for its camera. It's not it doesn't have a good camera for this Samsung A30. As S9 Plus is much better than. You can also do directly, if you buy some dongle, you can directly connect S9 Plus. And if you have this app called Filmic Pro, which is a video recording application on Android and iOS, it's a very good video recording application. So you can use Filmic Pro with Samsung S9 Plus, and you can use it directly as a webcam by using its clean HDMI out option. So Samsung S9 Plus, you can install an app called Filmic Pro, which is a paid app. You'll have to shell out around $10 for the app. Okay. I'll post it in the comment. It's called Filmic Pro. It's called Filmic Pro. Okay, Filmic Pro app, which is available on Android as well as iOS. You can use that app, and along with that, what you can do is that you can connect that app directly to your camera using a cable like this. You'll have to get something like I'll show you a cable like this. This is called an MHL adapter, where you can have an adapter like this, and also you can have an HDMI cable. This goes into your. I'll show you how to do it. It goes into your phone, and you can connect it to the phone like this. And on this here, you'll get some ports. So you'll get some ports there. You'll fit in an HDMI cable. Yes, it is an adapter. It's called a USB-C Type-C to HDMI adapter, because you cannot directly connect an HDMI cable to your mobile phone. Here it is an what you call this is an USB Type-C. This is the Type-C cable. It will depend on the phone connector type. My phones have Type-C connector. So this is the Type-C, and these are the ports where you can connect an HDMI. And okay, this is I'll write it, Type-C to HDMI. Type-C to HDMI. Okay, so this is called Type-C to HDMI adapter. So this one. And then what you need to do, you need to get one HDMI cable and connect this cable, and you need to connect that cable to your video capture device. And you will also require a video capture device. That is a very famous video capture device is Elgato Camlink, and it is a pretty costly device, around $160, I think. I do not have that. And I tried this thing with my Google Pixel phone, and it does not support this HDMI connection. So I bought it without any reason. But I can use a USB device here, like a pen drive or something, to transfer my files from my phone directly. And you can get, if you have an S9 Plus, you can also get an adapter for a cheaper price from Amazon or so. And even if you do not want to pay for Camlink is a very famous very famous capture card. So you can use this adapter, like you can see it. I'll show you. Video capture, HDMI video capture. That means you require this adapter You require a phone. Connect this adapter to the phone and get the HDMI cable inside this port, and then put the HDMI cable inside this what do you call this HDMI capture device. This is a video capture device, and put this video capture device. This is an USB 2. So this USB goes into your PC. So once it is connected like this, you can get that feed from the what you call from the Filmic Pro app into your PC, and you can directly find that where camera input in your OBS or in your system, StreamYard or anything. And if you use this system, you will have a bit of lower latency connection. But as of now, you can also use those app system, because app systems, yes, you can connect this directly to PC. You can connect this directly to PC. This goes into the PC, and this port, it has the HDMI input, and HDMI goes here, and this port goes to your phone. So that way you'll have a connection from your phone to your PC. And to get the feed from your phone to your PC, you will require this Filmic Pro app. I'll show you in my phone. I'll show you in my phone. What is that app? Let me show you quickly. There's an app, something like this. This is an app. This is a Filmic Pro app. This is a Filmic Pro app where you can have, let me show you. In the settings, in the hardware, you'll have something called clean HDMI out. If you can see it, if you will get something called clean HDMI out. If you get this clean HDMI out, once it is there, you can connect through HDMI cable to your PC. So this Filmic Pro app allows you to get clean HDMI out to your PC. So that is the advantage. And if you have an S9 Plus, you can use it. And my Pixel device does not support this HDMI out, so I have bought these things for nothing. Like this will be useful for me, but this is not at present is working. And also, if you have a web like a DSLR, you can use this kind of this device. This is cheaper one, and Elgato Camlink is the actual famous one. And this app system seem to be more easy, so you can use that app. You can use this app, and if you have a DSLR, you can connect your DSLR directly using this HDMI capture device to your PC. That is the standard thing. Those good YouTubers, good live streamers, I mean, not good means in the sense that the bigger YouTubers and live streamers use those background blurred kind of system where they use their DSLRs connected through an HDMI capture device to the PC. So Camlink from Elgato is the best one. I mean, it's the most famous. This is a cheaper one. It is around, it is 1,000 rupees in India, and it's almost $10, $10 or $15 on Amazon. One of, I'll try after adding the live stream. Okay, sure. You just try one after an. Okay, one of the time. Yes, it's not a big deal. Okay, you can carry on. I have you just show me, create your video and show me an invite to your live stream as well. And I have seen your channel also that day. I walked through the channel that you have. You're getting. I liked your contents, and you can use these applications. This Irion that I was talking about. Apart from Irion, what I am now using is called the Droid Cam X. There is something more. There is one thing called IV Cam. All those applications do the same thing. So you can use any of those applications and try to connect your phone with the PC. No, I'm not going to delete the live stream. It will be there. I'm not going to delete the live stream. It will be there. So if you have something to ask me later on, so if you can come back to see the replay, it will be there. I am not going to delete those live streams. and I'm new to live stream, so I'll just keep it as it is. Earlier I deleted one of my live stream because that broke in between. I did not know about that, and in that live stream, okay, you can get your content ready, and then you can go ahead with your video planning. So you can go ahead with your content ready, so you can go ahead then, no problem. And we can have a discussion later on. Once you learn how to connect your mobile phone camera to your PC and connect to the StreamYard, you can be my guest in my next live stream, where we can talk about mobile applications or the technology as a part. Okay, it's not the thing. You can clean it up. There is always a starting point. Oh, I'm not a big YouTuber, and I'm also starting out. My channel is pretty old, but recently only I got into got interest in YouTube, so I'm just getting to be more regular and more consistent with my contents. I do not know how well I am able to do it, but I'm trying, and I'm happy that I could help you with with setting up your webcam. Okay, no problem. You can speak a bit only. You can once you keep speaking, you can speak more, no problem. Once you open up, you can open up. That's it. Okay, and let me continue with the actual streaming thing. I was talking about those productivity apps. What app do you use actually, apart from this live streaming? What you call this this app for connecting mobile phone to? You might have used other apps also for photo editing, for anything. So if you have any questions, anything to ask regarding applications for on your phone for your productivity, S9 Plus is a pretty decent camera, pretty good camera. So you may take a lot of good pictures on S9, and then you can edit them beautifully using different applications. Viva Video, yes, it's a video editing applications. It's very simple. I think it has got templates and everything. I have not tried it, but I've checked the Viva Video thing, and I use video editing, an app called KineMaster. KineMaster has a lot of professional video editing capabilities. It has layering, it has multi-track, it has chroma key, it has transitions, it has different titles, it has effects. So it has got a lot of powerful thing. Viva Video is not that powerful as KineMaster, but it does the job well, because if you do not have much time and to give into editing and all, Viva Video can make your job easy, because it is much easier to create videos on Viva Video than KineMaster. KineMaster has a learning curve, but once you get the heck of it using KineMaster, you can produce very good high quality videos with different effects and different layers and all. And okay, yes, KineMaster, you can try the free version also. It only has the limitation of I think once you export the video, you get a kind of an watermark in the exported video that made with KineMaster. So that is the thing that is there in KineMaster free version. If you like it, you can go and subscribe to get the paid version. But to start with, you can download the free KineMaster and try it, because it has almost all the features of KineMaster, the premium version. So you can carry on with your I think you should also try KineMaster instead of using Viva Video, because you'll get to do more with your videos once you try learning this KineMaster. Or you can also try Power Director. Power Director also has free version. Free means it's called freemium. You have some of the options, and if you want all the features, you need to upgrade. So Power Director and KineMaster both are very good and powerful. On Android at present, they are the most powerful video editor available. So you can use those two and try to get your videos ready, make your videos better in terms of production quality. Yes, you can try them both. There is you have nothing to lose if you try them, because they are all both are free, so you can try them for free and you can learn different techniques. And one of the best part about Power Director is that they have a very good YouTube channel where they teach all the different aspects of video editing. Different short video tutorials are there in the Power Director YouTube channel. It is from the Cyberlink company. They also make photo editing applications. They also make video editing applications for PC. The Android version is also very powerful, and they have a very good YouTube channel where they have short small tutorials where you can learn different video editing techniques, and tips and tricks are also there. So you can try their no, it is my it is my only one channel I have. This channel is around 10 years old. Actually, I did not upload anything in between after I started this channel. I was not actually into going into YouTube thing. It was just a hobby. I like technology a lot, and I like to use different applications and everything. I like to test out different softwares on PC also. I'm not from computer science background or something technical. I am from a normal science background, but I have a keen interest on softwares and applications. So I like to talk about softwares and applications, and that way I started this channel, where I started with one screencasting tutorial type of thing earlier in 2012, I think 2012 or 11. But then it was just like a kind of a hobby, and just for fun I uploaded. And later last year I got interested into YouTube, and I'm now trying to get more contents into YouTube. So hopefully people will like what I upload, and I'll upload consistently related to Android applications mostly, and also about web services, like how you create a website, how you design a website, and how to install WordPress. WordPress is a content management system where you can develop your website. So these kind of things I like to talk about. So I will be uploading contents on that theme also, where I'll be talking about web hosting, domain purchase, and designing a website, working with WordPress, something like that. So that way I will do it. Thank you. And what content do you like most on YouTube? Like, what content do you watch more apart from getting into this streaming thing? And what content do you like most? Please comment, and let me talk about that. Okay, and talking about this video editors and all these things. Okay, yeah. Talking about video editors, you can also get very good photo editors on Android. Like, what photo editor do you use to edit those photos? Because you have this S9 Plus, which captures beautiful photos, as I know. So what application do you use to edit those photos? Do you edit those photos in the inbuilt native photo editor of the phone? Samsung also has this native photo editor, which doesn't have too much of features, but okay, I like to learn more editor. It is about video editor or photo editor. About video editors, you try first. I would suggest to go with KineMaster. And okay, for video editors you go with KineMaster. I'll suggest to try KineMaster first, and then go to Power Director, and whatever you like you can go with that. Okay, so a video editor, KineMaster is you just start with KineMaster, and as far as I know, I've tried both. I have tried both, but I found KineMaster to be more user friendly than Power Director. Okay, small cool technique. Like what technique do you want to learn? uh, KineMaster has a lot of effort. One of the cool thing that KineMaster can do is it supports chroma key. That means you can have a green background in your background. You can shoot anything, keeping a green screen back in behind, and then what you can do is okay. What I'll just let me see your. I want more tricks. Okay, tricks like. Okay, you can add some effects to your videos, and what you can do is you can cut out the boring parts in your video. If you do some talking head video or something like that, you can cut in between and put some memes and some interesting things in between, so it goes with your video. That way you can make your videos more interesting and more attractive. I think I'm not an expert in this, but I think so it will be helpful. You try to do different cuts in your videos and all, and you can also try to use different features that is there in the video editor to see what effects it can apply to your videos. What are the different things that you can do with your video? Okay, the one of the things is that you can have some kind of a B roll in your videos. Like suppose if I am talking about something, like I'm talking about a phone, or suppose I'm talking about Galaxy S9 Plus, that the phone that you use. While I talk about that phone, you can run a clip of that phone in the video while you talk, so that people get to know more through that video clip, so that it doesn't look boring. It's only talking and talking may be boring, like me now. If I can show something along with what I am talking right now, it will be more interesting, it will be more engaging to the viewer. I think that you can try. You can try some meme clips, and you can try some additional clips along with your video. So that will help you. I think that can that can give you a better result regarding video editing. I think so. I'm not a professional video editor, so whatever I have learned from YouTube. I think that will help you. I think you should follow the Power Director uh, Power Director YouTube channel, where you will get a lot of video tricks and tips. Also for KineMaster, there is a channel. I'll just write the name of the channel. You'll have, he's an Indian guy who has got a lot of videos, tutorial videos on KineMaster tips and tricks, and he has got a lot of subscribers, more than two 2 lakh subscriber. So I'll write his channel name. You can search this channel name to learn more about Ajay Kaja TV. So you can search this his channel. If possible, I'll put the link in the description later on, once this stream is over and gets into processing this video. This Ajay Kaja TV, you can check his channel. You can check his channel, this Ajay Kaja TV. So he has got a lot of hundreds of videos on KineMaster, how to use KineMaster, what are the different effects that you can use in KineMaster. So he is a young guy who has got a lot of knowledge about KineMaster. So you can search you can subscribe to his channel. He has got a lot of subscribers. He has got very cool tricks. He'll show you in your for on KineMaster. So you can check his channel. So he's a wizard, I think. He's an expert on KineMaster. He has got a lot of videos on every feature of KineMaster. I think even the KineMaster people themselves do not dig that much into the KineMaster features than Ajay Kaja. So you go ahead and check his channel. So that will be helpful. I have learned a lot from his channel. So if you have anything more, you can ask me. And I think I've talked a lot. If you have anything more, you can ask me. And what apps do you use to make thumbnails? I think for making thumbnails on YouTube, what app do you use to make those graphics on YouTube? Do you use Canva or do you use Adobe Spark? There are two apps that I use for making thumbnails. I do not know whether my thumbnails are very good or bad, but Canva and Adobe Spark Post, these two are very good applications. You can use both of them for free. And if you pay, okay, Photoshop, yes, if you know how to use Photoshop, that's a very good thing. But Photoshop takes a lot of time to do simple things, as far as I understand. I have a very mediocre PC, and for when I run Photoshop, it lags. Okay, Photoshop, does it have free version? I don't think Photoshop has a free version. So to use Photoshop, you need to pay a subscription fees, I think. Yes, right? Photoshop can be used only for 7 days free, I think. And if you're using Photoshop for free, I think there is something called the cracked version or something like that, which I don't suggest. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. But it is better to use a genuine software than using something cracked or something like that, because you may have an risk of getting virus into your system or something like that. And ethically, it is not also right to use cracked version of softwares. And instead, you can get something called GIMP. GIMP is free. Okay, okay. You have one site you can get to. I can go to. I have one site I can go to. Like you can download the stuff from there or something like that. Yes, but I don't suggest you do that. To go at there somewhere to download stuff which is not actually you're paid for. To get free photo editing on PC, I use GIMP, GIMP, GIMP. So it is free and open source. So it does a lot of good work. GIMP I use is free. Okay, and there is one more thing, that there is one more applications for vector editing, which is called Inkscape. Inkscape. Inkscape is for vector editing, so which is also very good if you want to design your YouTube thumbnails or logos or something like that. It is free. What Adobe Illustrator does, Inkscape can do that too. So these are the two applications which are free and which are very powerful. Instead of going, yes, Photopea, yes, this is okay. Okay. Photopea is similar to Photoshop. Yes, it has got all the, yes, it's a very good. Photopea is a very good site. It has a lot of features which you can use for free. There is a subscription model also, I think, for on Photopea. It's very good. It's very good. I just missed your Photopea chat earlier, and Photopea is very good. I think you can also try this double stroke thumbnail design in Photopea, like layer styles and all. That is there in the what you call Photoshop. Photopea is something Photoshop in the cloud, right? I have used it once or twice, and then I stopped using it because I have the. Okay, it is okay. It is okay. Photopea is not best, but it does the job. Does the job for us. We are not professionals, as far as I am concerned. I'm not a professional or pro photographer or something like that. So Photopea does the job for me. And if you want something like a software, I will suggest you can use GIMP or Inkscape. Both are very good, and you will find it very powerful also. Yes, it's okay for me too. It's okay for me too. It's okay for me too, no problem. And the next about video editing, if I and the next thing that I was going to talk about was about photo editing. Snapseed on Android. Snapseed on Android is very good. It's from Google, so it does a lot of powerful photo editing for free. Okay. Yes, yes. And you can use what you call Snapseed as well. Snapseed is free, and you can use it in your phone. Snapseed does very good photo editing, and you can use it on phone. You can also use Photoshop Express, which is free. It is also from Adobe. Photoshop Express, which you can use for free as well. And to design thumbnails, you can also use Pixel Lab on Android. So these are the things. Okay. Snapseed. Snapseed on it's an application which you can use on Android, or it is available on iOS as well. You can easily install it on your S9 Plus. So that will help you to edit photos for free. And if you want to create thumbnails, or if you want to design text on photos, you can try something called Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab is very powerful as well. So Pixel Lab you can use to design text for thumbnails. You can design thumbnails using Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab is also free. So you cannot remove the background on what you call Snapseed. You cannot remove the background. You cannot remove the background on either of them. In Pixel Lab also you cannot do it, but you can do it in something like PixArt. Something like PixArt. PixArt is also an app which allows you to remove the background. You can remove the background in PixArt as an app. But if you use Canva also allows you to remove the background. But the thing is that only the Canva Pro version allows you to remove the background. You have to buy the subscription for Canva Pro. Then only you can remove the background. And Canva does a very good job, I must admit, because it just takes seconds to remove the background. In most of the cases, the background removal is very good. In Photoshop or in Photopea, you have to manually select the object and then remove the background from there. So it takes a little bit of time, but in Canva it is just simply one click. You just select the photo, click on there is something called effects. Click on effects. There is an effect called background removal. You click on background removal and it automatically removes the background. In most of the time, if the person in the photo and the background that is there in the photo are contrast and does have a good contrast, then okay, free version is slow. Yeah, it may happen. I don't know about that, how slow it is. I used a pro version of Canva right now, but I found the free version earlier when I was using the free version not that slow. It may happen because of your internet connectivity as well, because it is cloud-based software. So it also depends on the connection speed of your. Yes, the paid version it can do it in one click. Yeah, one click. Paid version it can do it in Canva Pro in one click. Yes, it can do it in one click. The pro version, not the free version. I do not know the free version has any background removal feature or not, but the Canva Pro has, which is almost $10 a month. subscription fees. So Canva Pro has this this facility, and it is pretty amazing. You just click it and your background is gone, and you can have any other background later on. So it's very powerful, and you get a lot of templates and you get a lot of stock photos with Canva Pro as well. So that is one of the values that you get for your subscription fees. So you can it is not an yearly subscription, it's a monthly subscription. You can cancel the subscription anytime. So if you, when in need, you can get the subscription, and then you can unsubscribe to get out of the paying model. Okay, and I think it's almost an hour right now. So if you have anything, you can ask me. I'll go ahead and try to answer you, because there is no one watching apart from you right now, and anyone who is there who will be who is watching the replays, please, if you have any queries, if you have anything to ask me, you can put it in the comments section, where I'll try to answer those queries. If you have anything, you can try to connect. All the best, you try, you'll get it, you'll get to work. It's not a big time. It's not a big deal. You have to it's very easy. It should not be a problem for you. Okay, it should not be a problem. You can connect it easily. It's not a big deal. Once you do it successfully, you will be happy about it, because it's not a rocket science. So yeah, thank you very much. So see you soon. Hopefully we'll be there in the next stream as well. So I'll talk about how you set it up together. Okay, so bye for now. Bye. And this stream has gone into the hour mark, so I'll be okay. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And the stream has gone past the 1 hour mark, so I'll stop, and I'll talk about the applications, Android applications, in my next stream, because I don't think people you will be liking it to get into a longer period of time. So if you're watching the replays, and if you have anything to talk about, or anything to ask me regarding the applications or regarding the services that I talk during my stream, you can ask in the comments. And if you want to learn more about Android applications and different web services, you can consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next stream. And in the meantime, you can check out my channel for more videos on Android applications and web services. So thank you very much. See you soon, and see you in my next stream next week, Tuesday, Indian Standard Time, 10 p.m. All right. Thank you.